Good day and welcome to my channel. This will be showing you how to create a blog website. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to get a domain. And a domain is what we call a name given to you by a domain provider, like a platform. They don't give you a name. So you went there to buy a domain, then you name it whatever you want your website name to be. So and then how to get a domain is very easy. You can get a domain from Hostinger. Like Hostinger. So Hostinger is a very good website, a platform that gives you a good place that you can create your website. So as you can see, recommended by WordPress.org. Everything is very nice. They are very good. So how do you create a website? This is my blog website. As you can see, it looks perfect well. Very nice. This is my blog website. So you want to get something like this, you want to design something like this, you can go to Hostinger, then get your domain and then start building your blog website. So the first thing you have to do is after getting a domain, then get started. Now how do we do that? After you've already gotten your domain, website, blah blah and everything, all like that, then you'll be giving a website where you can create your own personal website. Maybe whatever you want to do with your website or whatever you want to create on it or want to design on it. You want to design a freelancing website or whatever, anything. If I don't design anything that you want. So maybe you want to design a travel blog, anything like that, or any store like online store or anything. You can make use of Hostinger to create your blog website, to create your website. So the best thing you have to do here, as you can see. So let me show you how my website looks like. So you can see that this is not, as you can see, this is my own page. I can show you about. So let's go to my categories. So you can see that this is a perfect website, blog website. Yeah, you can see it has blog post. So you can see embracing a sustainable urban living, your ultimate guide. So let me click on one so you can see that it looks perfect. So this is one of my posts that I uploaded on my blog website. You can see if I click on next post, it's bring another one post for me. So this is it. So let me show you how to upload content on your blog website. So as you can see, this is my dashboard post. So click on post. So it says post, add new, and do any other things. You click on add new. So this is where you input the title. As you can see, it's very straightforward thing that you can easily do. So you input your title, maybe whatever you want to post on your blog website. So as you can see, I've already have all my categories created already. So what I want to upload now is based on entry, opinion, or business insights. So so it also relates to like careers also, but then just make use of this business insight and entrepreneur. So you can see that it's very easy. So I have my content already. So I'll upload it. Then click on where to upload the content. So make use of ChatGPT to write your content. If you don't know how to make use of Chat, you can comment in the my video below that you need a video on how to generate content for a blog website. If you don't know how to, just message and comment. Then I'll create a video on how to generate a blog content for your blog website. So go back to post, then come under you can also add a tag. So this is where you input the image you want to this is where you input the image that you want it to appear as post blog, as a post image. So you click on set featured image, then click on upload files, then select files. So I'll make use of this image. So click on set featured image. So what else do you need again? We are done. So you've already add the category that you needed to add. You can click on blog. So also change the size there, the text size, the typography size, so you can change anything if needed. But everything is perfect. It's very okay. So you don't need to change anything. So then click on publish. In case you don't want to publish your content right away, maybe you don't just try to schedule some things, you can save it in like save drafts. But want to publish it right away. So click on publish. So publish again. So let me click on the post. So you can see I just uploaded a new post like this. As you can see, it look perfect well. So just to know, just to see it in the website. So let's get back to the website. So let's click on our home page. So the post will be the one to appear first. Because it's just my new post again, as you can see. It has two categories based on business insight and entrepreneur. So that's on how to upload a post on your blog website. So let me also show you how to add on how to add page. So we come to our page, come to the dashboard of your hostinger as in your domain. So after that, you click on pages. So you can see if you want to create any new page, you can just create on add new page. Then you name it whatever you want it. Maybe like you're trying to create a blog website, you can name it like freelance health so or like technology or tech or anything little like you can also create a niche based on a category based on travel or animals. So you can name it whatever you want it. So after that, then click on publish. So that's how you create a page for your blog website. So that's all you need to know. In case you want a full video on how to create a blog with this job is in my comment video. So I'll show you on how to create well a full blog website. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel and use me and share it and use me thumbs like. Good day everyone.